guys, today is Tuesday, March 31st, and I'm gonna share with you guys a life hack. Okay, so today it says if you need a rough measurement of something, the distance between the first and second joints in your fingers is almost always an inch. Wow, so like the distance okay, from the first joint to the second joint. Oh, okay. Let's try this right now. Okay, so I have a clear ruler here. So 1 inch is there. Like, okay, let's try this finger. Wow, that is actually true. Almost an inch. Wow. Well, so actually, this is actually true. Wow, that's awesome. So now you know what to do if you want to measure something. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this, and hopefully the distance between the first and second joint of your fingers is almost an inch because it's kind of a thing. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Millie wop, and whip.